mhlambe ngishawa uvalo ngisaba ukusho ukuthi khanga ngizithengele indlu kodwa angizisebenzeli ngiyasebenzela. Didn't I buy the house myself? I did. Did I buy my house myself? I did. Didn't I contribute in supporting the family out of the goodness of my heart? I did. Akangawadla amandla ami nama wakhe angiwadli.
Lalelani bafazi, uthi uMakhumalo yena akaphiki ukuthi uMusa umhlanganise nabantu abamakhampani because uyabazi abantu bamakhampani, but ikhampani uzivulele yena. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So uMakhumalo lana was basically telling us ukuthi yena she's independent. So guys, kule episode lena we learned that uMakhumalo is independent. We've been saying uMakhumalo independent vele. But lana she was stating that Musa angalokhu ebhizi ekhuluma engathi uye omvulele ikhampani and now she must mele athobele umthetho of whatever uMusa is saying. She further on said she helped in everything eMzumbe. She contributed everything eMzumbe. And I understand uMusa why now afuna ukuthatha all the credits athi asiyimi ekuncedisile ukwakha indlu yakho, asiyimi ekuncedisile ukuyenza leyo company leyo. And she mentioned that Leandro Leana esedeben, that house ahlala kuyo, she did everything by herself. That house uzbuildele yona, uzifakele ama-tiles and everything that's in that house uzenzele yena. And I think uMusa felt like he was attacked. I think uMusa wants his wife to just protect his image and act like everything is being done by him. And which is a good thing, but also don't ungagagameli. Musa sekagagameli. And njengoba ekhuluma kaso uMusa ukwatiswa indaba yokuthi uMakhumalo doesn't want to support wife number 5. And Makhumalo thinks uMusa goes around telling people ukuthi he opened a company for uMakhumalo to help the family out, but uMakhumalo doesn't want to help her wife number 5. So that's what uMakhumalo thinks. Ugel wathi masekaphetha yonke indaba wathi asingadlani amandla guys. You know ukuthi you helped me ukuthola ama-brand deals was abantu abangangiconnectela ku-company, but also don't go around telling people ukuthi ungakhele indlu and ungibuildele i-company. And why guys wife number 5 bamekise umsebenzi and then they expect ukuthi wife number 3 must support wife number 5. I may understand ukuthi there are trust issues between uSamge nendoda yakhe and about uSamge esebenzela kude, but why do you expect uMakhumalo to support uSamge? Why don't you support uSamge ngeyakhe imali? Hey guys, Musa sometimes unokuba lukhuni shem. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.